It just seems like a normal day, working some overtime on a Saturday. About 10 o'clock in the morning is when we heard the loud roar and just saw fire everywhere. Saw the fire and felt the heat and everything and the loud just roaring of it, of all the pressure. I didn't know if I should try to get off the scaffold and run or just stay and wait. I didn't know if there was even going to be a way out. If that fire would have turned towards me, and there's no way I could have ran from that. I could have lost my life easily. Looking at plants now, I don't ever want to see one again. Don't want to go back to one. But the company I worked for, they didn't care. They wanted us back to work the next day. And I tried. I went back one day and I couldn't. It was hard for me to breathe. There's so much anxiety. I didn't want to be near a plant, but told us if we didn't come back, we lost our job. I think these plants, all they think about is the dollar. Safety second, it's all about the money. If they can hush someone up and give them a couple bucks, they'll do it, as long as they can keep working and making money. It's all about money to them. It was 100% preventable. It wasn't any employee's fault that it happened, it was the plant's fault. And family lawyers, they said if you're not really physically hurt, there's no case, you can't do anything. I didn't think they should get away with that. I found Arnold Itkin searching through the internet, found him, and I saw a lot of testimonials and seeing that they handled the Deepwater Horizon case and just gave me a lot of confidence. Watching Arnold Itkin fight for me, it reassures you that someone's there on your side. If someone's going through the same thing, even similar to what I did, I would at least reach out to Arnold Itkin. I had no idea if I even had a case or if there was even anything remotely possible, but they took care of everything. If you need something, they're there. The future from here on out looks a lot better. Arnold Itkin means there's someone out there that will fight for you when something goes wrong, even when others say that there's nothing you can do.